What up, LeadIQers? My name is Nabil Ahmed, your VP of Growth and Partnerships at LeadIQ, and this is your June product update. We've heard, we've listened, and we built. We've got 6 large updates coming your way to help you supercharge your revenue. Let's kick it off. Attention all Gong users. LeadIQ is now built right into Gong plus Gong Engage. One click, zero context switching, you're ready to roll. We've heard all those innovators from startup to enterprise that they need more greater data and greater data delivered by the API. So we've updated company data along with ISO country codes. For my heavy web app users, we've updated 2 things. Call disposition insights to where you can see which reps are hitting bad numbers versus booking meetings. So closing the loop from prospecting to outcome. And net new SFDC search. I mean, if you're searching within the web app, you can now see which records are in Salesforce and which are not. And for all my RevOps, SalesOps, or admins within LeadIQ, we've now updated field mappings. So now you can map custom LeadIQ fields, company ID, function description directly into your export settings. So to kick us off, let's hand it over to our head of solutions engineering, Phil, to run us through the Gong Engage integration.
So we are now releasing our newest update to our Gong Engage integration, which allows you to use LeadIQ's Chrome extension within Gong Engage proper. So all the folks that you're looking at here in the contacts or the leads will be mirrored as you would expect them in LeadIQ. You can peek into systems like Salesforce just as usual. You can see if they're in a flow, and if they are not in a flow, you can pre-select a flow and update all of these records with LeadIQ data, of course, but you can leverage the workflow capabilities and add them into a flow while you're at it. So capture all for everybody or just one at a time with plus button.
All right, over the next 2 slides, we're going to talk about 2 key API upgrades that deliver rock solid standardized data. First is fresher company data. So every month we are now bulk refreshing critical fields, domains, industry tags, employee ranges, logos, so your exports and dashboards always reflect the latest reality. No more chasing stale information or manually correcting outdated records. For our next slide, we're upgrading ISO country codes. We've added ISO 2 and ISO 3 codes alongside country names in every person and company object. Now you can slice and dice by US, GBR, DEU, etc. without second guessing spelling or formatting. Perfect for global campaigns and clean and consistent reporting. For all my admins, rockstar SDRs and AEs, or anybody who's on the phone, we've now added dashboarding for your call dispositions viewed directly within the LeadIQ web app. So navigate to dashboard and click data metrics, scroll down, and you now have a new preview of positive and negative dispositions. Slice and dice depending on the date, percentages, see who's top of the leaderboard, the regions you guys are prospecting into, and individual phone call outcomes depending on the sales engagement platform you're currently using. For all my web app searchers, we've upgraded that too. Here's our net new SFDC search feature designed to keep your CRM pristine and your reps focused on genuine pipeline. First off, we have a new web app filter. Simply toggle excluding existing in Salesforce when you browse prospects in our web app, only brand new companies and contacts surface in your list view. So here's a preview. Go to search within your web app, input the criteria that is necessary for your ICP, and identify the accounts that are uploaded or within that search criteria. You can see here now that you can see which records are within existing lists and which records are actually in Salesforce. And it goes even further. So if you want to bulk capture, you have the ability to capture up to 10,000 contacts or records and have the ability to exclude if those records exist in any LeadIQ list or exclude if records exist in Salesforce. So if you're in sales off, demand gen, marketing, or a rep that just likes to search within the web app, you now have the ability for reporting accurate productivity. And last but not least, we're now showcasing our latest export mapping enhancements. Now directly within your integration to whatever CRM you have the ability for export field mapping with these 3 new fields. Company ID, we have company description, And now we have also function. And that's one big thank you for listening to our June product update. If you are interested or have any questions, please DM us. If you are an existing customer, please reach out to your CSM or your support lead, as we're here to help you enable all of these features down the line. Thank you again, and we'll stay tuned till next month.